Hello and welcome to another Virtual Check tutorial. My name is Coulter and I'm one of the members of the Virtual Check support team. Today we will be going over Virtual Check's reporting tools, more specifically, how to use Virtual Check's reports, why it is important to check the reports, and lastly, the different reporting codes that are assigned to each transaction during the verification process. If you don't quite understand what is happening or think I'm going too fast, feel free to hit the pause button and resume at your leisure. Let's get started. You will first need to log into your Virtual Check account. Reports are generated at the end of each business day. It is important to note that Virtual Check's cutoff time is 2:30 p.m. Mountain Time, and anything entered after that time will be processed the following business day. Let's go to the reports list. The reports can be found under Reports list on the left-hand side navigation bar in your Virtual Check terminal. Once you have navigated to the Reports list page, you will see the report ID, the report name, the date and time the report was uploaded, the number of times the file has been downloaded, and lastly, you'll have the option to delete the report. Click on the report name to download the Excel file. I will now show you what these reports look like. When you open the report, you will notice the form is broken up into two different sections, the summary and the breakdown. The summary contains the date, the amount of money successfully processed, the amount of money that failed the verification, the amount of money that is designated as unknown, the amount of money received in total, followed by the number of checks successfully processed, the number of checks rejected, the amount of checks designated as unknown, and finally, the total amount of checks received. The breakdown contains the individual entries that were processed through the Virtual Check virtual terminal. It contains all of the information that you included in each payment entry with the addition of the authentication result on the far right side of the report. The description of each authentication result can be found in your initial welcome email. These results allow you to have a greater understanding of why a transaction has been declined. The results in this sample report are ND00 and RT00, which are the most common forms of declines. These codes typically mean that a wrong account number has been entered into the system. Please confirm the account number with your customer and enter the correct information as a new Virtual Check. Please do not edit a transaction that has already been processed. With all of this information, some of you may be wondering why checking your reports is important. Our check verification is a valuable step in our processing, and you will only find the results in your reports. It is important to check your reports daily to determine if the payments that you submitted actually passed the verification and were sent to the bank for deposit. You also want to know why they didn't pass verification so you can call your customer and complete your sale. For more information about Virtual Check and our variety of tools and services, feel free to contact our support staff at support@payzang.com or feel free to call us at 1-800-838-8651.